Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Jhaveri mutual funds account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar to type for Jhaveri mutual funds login and hit on enter. After doing so, many links will pop up on your screen. Click on the first result that says user login, and this will take you to the official login site of Jhaveri. And here you can see that you need to input your username and password to continue to your account. Now just input your personal details, but in case you forgot your password, you can use this button forgot password to help you reset and retrieve it. After entering your username and password, just tap on start login. And now after that, you'll be logged in into your Jhaveri mutual funds account. And that's how you can log in into your Jhaveri mutual funds account. This was for this video. If you find our video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.